Hello everybody. Today we are creating a Python dictionary program uh, for for storing data of passengers at a particular metro station boarding. So how many passengers are boarding at a particular metro station? That data is being entered by user here, and we are picking out these stations like Uttamnagar, Janakpuri West, Janakpuri East, and Tilaknagar, and then we are trying to print their values station wise, print their values number of passenger wise, and then finally if you want to know how many total number of passengers are there for the whole day, then you can use this for loop to total them up, and this way this program has been created. And here a little more, what is a Python dictionary, what is a Python dictionary. So little definition is there, so you can just see this, and this can be a very useful program, and how this has been denoted. Thank you very much for seeing this piece.